Trains are moving around, the winds are
it
blowing it around. You can see in the horizon, like you said, the funnel clouds. It's just
right. It was insane, and the aftermath of it was even more insane. I mean, you saw this almost half mile just path of destruction that it left as it went through there. I mean, we saw warehouses completely down. We saw in our adjacent neighborhood to us, homes that were just down to the studs, just a fridge remaining in some cases.